Every 3 seconds, someone in the world develops dementia. By 2050, the number of people living with dementia around the world will be 131 million, making this disease one of the most significant global, social, economic, and health crises of the 21st century. Dementia is a collective name for degenerative brain syndromes, which affect memory, thinking, behavior, and emotion. Symptoms may include loss of memory, difficulty in finding the right words or understanding what people are saying, difficulty in performing previously routine tasks, and personality or mood changes. Although each person will experience dementia in their own way, after a period of time, people living with dementia are unable to care for themselves and need help with all aspects of daily life. Many people around the world are now living for longer. Over the past century, successes in improving standards of health and social care means the world population now has more older people than ever before. But when we get older, our risk of developing dementia increases. Up to the age of 65, dementia develops in only about 1 person in 1,000. But past 65 years old, this rises sharply to 1 person in 20. If you're over the age of 80, this figure increases even further to 1 in 5. By the middle of the century, there will be nearly 3 times the amount of people living with dementia than today. Most of these people will live in low and middle income countries, rising from 58% in 2015 to 68% by 2050. These are areas of the world that are currently least equipped to deal with this significant rise in people requiring care and support. So it's vital we continue to help them provide these vital services. The global cost of dementia care is estimated at $818 billion. If global dementia care were a company, it would be the world's largest by annual revenue, exceeding Apple, $742 billion. Across the globe, there is a growing awareness about dementia, but stigma and misinformation remain significant barriers to making the world a better place for people living with the disease. Our research shows nearly half of people living with dementia around the world report that they feel excluded from everyday life. 2 out of 3 people globally believe there is little or no understanding of dementia in their countries. So it's essential we work together to educate ourselves and our communities to dispel lingering myths about dementia. We believe dementia must be declared an international health priority with a collaborative global action plan and a shared vision for dementia research and care. At Alzheimer's Disease International, we believe that the key to winning the fight against dementia lies in a combination of global solutions and local knowledge. We work alongside both an extensive network of national Alzheimer's associations and internationally to campaign for global policy changes. September is World Alzheimer's Month, an international campaign to raise awareness and challenge stigma. It's a time for action, a global movement united by its call for change, but also a time to reflect on the impact of dementia, a disease that will affect more and more people as the years pass. Dementia is a global issue that demands a global solution. By educating ourselves about dementia and campaigning for better health and social care provision, we can help people living with dementia both now and in the future. By joining us and helping to spread the word, you can help us make this a reality.